Welcome to NAB 2018. I am Tim from Chrosziel, and today we want to show you the Chrosziel Zoom Servo Drive unit for the Zeiss Lightweight Zoom 3. The Zoom Servo Drive unit motorizes the zoom of the Zeiss Lightweight Zoom 3, and it's controlled by the Sony Smartgrip or any other Lang zoom rockers. Yes, so what we were able to do is to integrate everything within one compact single housing, so you don't have an extra box, a motor and a control. Everything is in one, and you just attach the control cable and the power cable, and then the control cable maybe for the camera, and you're ready to go. In order to set it up, you take out the LAN cable of the Smartgrip and put it into our box, and then a second cable you put into our device and then into the remote socket of the cameras, even if you have another camera. This way you have control from the zoom rocker for our zoom, but you have all the other functions like menu, user keys, focus magnification or run stop from the camera. Everything is available within one single Smartgrip. To power the unit, we need 10 to 30 volts. So in the box we have a D-tap power source, basically a D-tap cable. But if you need a different one for the F55 or for the FS7 back, we have a Hiroshi 4-pin connector as well as a 3-pin Fisher cable. So you are set for any kind of power distribution box or power out of your camera or camera accessories. Yeah, for making the zoom perfectly fitting to the different operator and camera needs, we specified 4 different zoom modes. So the one is documentary ENG style. So you have the very low, slow, creeping zooms, and we are ramping it up and down very carefully so that you always have a nice image focus on there. And then we have a zoom mode 2, which is a silent mode. So if you have a very noise sensitive application, we are limiting the overall speed. Zoom mode 3 is a live hard cut mode. For example, if you're on a B camera to just get some shots, you can just zoom into the various positions. And then zoom mode 4 is the raw mode, which basically means if you want full speed, it just goes full speed, so it's very direct response. To switch between these modes, it's very easy. You just press the zoom rocker 5 seconds, and then it's going to switch from one to the second mode, to the third, to the fourth. Yeah, the availability is beginning of mid-May. We are taking already pre-orders, and the price point is $1,726 US or 1,450 euros, and that's list price.